In this video, you will see how to add a Christmas background in Word document like this. It's very easy. First, you need to go to this website Pixabay. Here you can get the copyright free images of Christmas. You can see here free for use under the Pixabay. Open any one of the image, then copy the image, go to the Word file and then paste the image. Click on the image, right click and then under the wrap text select the option in front of text. Just adjust the picture like this, and now this picture is very dark. If you want to faint this picture, you can right click on the picture, go to the format picture option, click on the picture option, and here you will see the option of picture transparency. Click on the drop down and then you can use this transparency slider to increase or decrease the transparency of the background picture. Now click on the picture, then right click, go to the wrap text option and this time select behind text. So the image will go in the background and then you can use the text box to write anything you want like this in front of the background image. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to add Christmas border to the Word document. See you again in the next one.